Hi everybody. Today I am detecting at a new place here on the ranch, and it was the site of an old homestead, and the people that lived here either sold out to the original landowner or to my grandparents. I don't know when. Their name is on the 1913 atlas, and this spot right here is where the house was. And so when I was a little kid, there was always a pile of trash there until Dad covered it up. So I probably won't hunt in the trash pile, but out here and out here, and the well is over there. So I'm going to show you the well, and I'm not going to explore the well because Dad said he put a bunch of rocks in there. He kind of explored it already a long time ago, and a bunch of wire. So that is not going to be searched, but we can still see the well. And the original road went kind of up through the middle of this field until, well, it's not a field anymore, it's planted in a conservation program, but this didn't used to be a field. Actually, we cleared this off when I was a kid, and it made some nice wheat right in this area. So let's get going. I got my Garrett AT Pro and my Excalibur Shovel, and I'm wearing my Excalibur Shovel merch today, so go check excaliburshovels.com out to get a really awesome shovel that won't ever break. Well, I got my first surface find. Can you believe we've been running over this mason jar lid for years? This is actually our road out to our west fields. All right, let's see what else we can find. Okay, so there is the well, and you can see it's not too far right over there to the house, maybe 50 yards or so, 75 yards. Okay, here's the old well. All these rocks. Dad said it wasn't super deep. I'll have to question him some more on that. There's some old glass. Oh, that has a wheat pattern on that, so it's not super old. Baby food jar. So might have brought some of our junk up here too. And I saw something on the surface over here. Let's see what it is. Well, part to a spring. Thought I saw some words. All right, let's see what we can find. I might detect here for a little bit and then head over where the house is. Okay, I'm not sure what this flimsy piece of metal is. Maybe it covered the well, or maybe, I don't know. But I found this old bottle. It doesn't seem to be that old, maybe an old Clorox bottle. So let's see what else we can find. Well, this was a really pretty good signal. It was in the 50s and 60s. An old pie tin. So there's still some more down that hole, but I'm just going to leave it. Let's see what else we can find. I did find a small screw and a teeny tiny nail that also sounded pretty good. So let's go. Well, I just dug this out of the hole. I wonder if there's anything inside this can. Let's check. Well, maybe it was a tuna fish can. I don't know. Kind of old. Well, that had a good sound to it. Well, this is what I've found so far. See that little teeny tiny, maybe a roofing nail or something? That screw was the first thing I find. And these items, which are not old. None of these were square nails. Let's see what else we can find. Well, I got a high tone that repeats right there. And Check out this game trail. The deer probably come through here quite often. Well, I just dug this up. It showed us 62 on the AT Pro. Not sure what that is. I'm on the trail. I'm on the hunt. You can see this is where they jump the fence or go through it. Lots of deer around here. Maybe heading over to the water hole. Hey, over there in that brush is the old house site, I think, or somewhere. I'm kind of on the outskirts where the grass is shorter, and I just got a good signal, and I got this clip. Now, would you say that's a suspender clip or something else? Let me know. Let's see what else we can find. All right, so that signal was in the 60s. Looks like a lid to something, or there's something right there, like it flipped up. Yeah, see that? It flipped up. Wonder what that is. Let me know if you know. All right, I got a lantern piece. There was also a nail in that hole. Pretty cool. Wonder how old it is. Let me see if I can see that. So I found some dates on here. It's pretty cool. And I can't read all of it on here. It says Port Brass Company. I don't know if it's something port, but I can't read this part. The upper right side of that. I wonder, do any of you know how old this might be? Looks like I found a piece to a clip. I get a lot of these kind of signals. And I think it's just wire. But I'm not sure about that right there. Well, let's check it out. Well, a rusty lid. Oh my word. Well, let's see what this is. Oh, is that a bunch of nails? Oh, some wire. Oh, maybe. The wire always sounds so good. Yep, another piece of wire. And I just dumped the wire out of my shovel. Now, where did it go? That was dumb. There it is. Well, there it is. Hi, everybody. I am going to stop for today, so I'll show you what I found. And it wasn't too much, but at least there's a few interesting items. So my battery ran out when I found these old farm pieces. I think that says 1264. So I don't know what that went to. These three all kind of were next to each other. Found a couple of square nails, the rest are round. This was in the road, and I still don't know what that is. That's heavy, so maybe it's lead. Now this piece of like a suspender or whatever it's from seems older than like this one. So this one might be to like a lady's garment. What do you guys think? And then trash, lots of wire that sounded real good. And then I found this, I thought it was a lid, but I think it's from a lantern. But yeah, I don't know. And then this was farther away from it. The other lantern piece. Does it go like that? But it's a different kind of lantern. This has a screw on here. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know. This thing sounded good, let me tell you. Okay. Well, yeah, nails. I nailed it again today. But I have to come back out here and explore some more right over there where that old homestead was. Now right here in front of me, you can't see it, it's over the edge, is our dump. So I brought those things here, the trash, to throw in our dump. And there's actually an old mark to the dump from the original landowner and my grandparents and all that. So I think the line for that homesteader was right along here. Looking at that 1913 map, it went up there a ways, over, and then I don't know if it went out that point. Not sure, but there was a long patch going that way and a wide patch going that way. So I think he had 160 acres. So would you like to go see some things in the old dump? Well, let's walk over there. Since this video is already getting pretty long, I'll take you to the dump next week. I will add that into next week's adventure. Join me in these videos for some more treasure hunting adventures. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.